Let's finally install her. But 20-inch. I kind of like this wig being in its natural state, and persons said that if you apply heat just like with our natural hair, you'll destroy the texture. And I look, you don't want to destroy the texture, but I'm gonna see what it looks like without heat. But if I don't like, then I'm gonna apply some heat. I'm thinking layers too, but I'm not sure yet. Let's just see. Where's it go? Okay, let's just see what she looks like. Yeah, that's definitely not the same texture. Actually, wait, nah, that don't blend right. Yeah, I'm gonna apply. I'm gonna get my flat iron out. It's like so soft. I don't really have words. Except, why haven't we done this before? I haven't even styled it. I haven't done my edges. It's so flowy, so soft. I literally really think I'm not gonna apply heat to it because I really don't want to destroy this texture. It's so flowy. Like, I have to say it's worth the hype. And I also have to say, why haven't we done this before? Like, I didn't even need to apply like a bunch of heat to my hair. I didn't even worry about like my edges, like to get, as in like, you know, get those little. I love it. I love it. I really, really do. I'm back, trucker. Bye.